Adobe's Gingerbread AI shakes up the industry with 5 game-changing features. Picture this, an AI tool that's not just a tool but an artist, a partner, and a visionary that works in harmony with your imagination. We're diving headfirst into the world where 3D modeling meets text prompts, where precision is the name of the game, and where predictability is a thing of the past. Gone are the days when AI was just a buzzword. Today, we're about to witness the dawn of a design revolution, all thanks to Adobe's relentless pursuit of excellence. So buckle up, fellow creatives, as we journey through the very fabric of digital artistry, exploring the breathtaking features of Gingerbread that are set to change the course of design history. Ladies and gentlemen, designers and dreamers, welcome back to Pixels Unleashed, the channel where creativity knows no bounds. Today in Virtual Reality James, we're not just talking about design, we're talking about design taken to a whole new dimension, courtesy of Adobe's groundbreaking creation, Project Gingerbread. Imagine telling your AI to place a whiskey glass on a wooden table, and boom, it's there, right where your mind painted it. Think about molding your own 3D world with an AI assistant that understands your every command. That's the power of Gingerbread. It's like having a magician's wand at your fingertips, conjuring art that's not just impressive, but deeply personal. But that's not all. Get ready to witness a symphony of innovation as we unveil the interactive text prompts, the custom 3D object support, and the seamless integration into Adobe's Creative Suite. It's like giving your creativity a turbo boost. And we're about to hit the gas. So, my fellow pixel pushers, join me on this accelerating ride as we explore Adobe's Gingerbread AI and its unprecedented features. We're not just stepping into the future of design, we're redefining it. And who knows, by the end of this video, you might just find yourself asking, is my computer screen a window or a portal? Get ready to be amazed, inspired, and above all, ready to reshape the very landscape of design. Differentiating Gingerbread from competitors. Let's talk about standing out in a sea of ones and zeros. Picture this. You're craving a pizza, but all you got is bread and cheese. Well, that's kind of what Adobe's Gingerbread AI did to the competition. It threw in the works and served up a gourmet feast. In a world of AI, there's Google, Microsoft, Midjourney, and a bunch of others trying to throw their creative hats into the digital ring. But here's the thing. While they might have brought their A game, they also brought some limitations. Predictability has been a thorn in their pixelated sides. Sure, there's been some impressive stuff like Drag Gan, Meta's Make a Scene, and Project Gligan. But they're kind of like that one friend who's amazing in theory, but doesn't really help when you're in a design jam. The core motive of Gingerbread: empowering designers. Imagine this, you're an artist with a canvas, but every time you try to paint, the paintbrush has a mind of its own and sticks everything right in the middle. Talk about frustrating. That's the problem that Adobe's Gingerbread is solving. They're the creative buddy who's got your back and knows that sometimes you need a bit of space to arrange things just the way you want. Their motive? They're throwing predictability out the window and handing over the reins to you, the designer. Gingerbread is all about giving you the superpower to compose scenes the way you envision them, not just the way the AI thinks they should be. Key features of Project Gingerbread. User-created 3D scene presets. Imagine you have your own design genie that lives inside your computer. You give it a few hints and boom! It conjures up a whole 3D scene exactly as you pictured it. That's Gingerbread's user-created 3D scene presets for you. Like having your very own digital artist who's mastered mind reading. Interactive text prompts. Let's talk about talking to your computer. Imagine typing, "Add a majestic castle by the moonlit sea," and bam! Your AI whips up the scene like it's no big deal. That's Gingerbread's interactive text prompts. It understands your words and brings your creative visions to life. No magic wand required. Custom 3D object support. Ever felt limited by what the AI has to offer? Well, Gingerbread's got your back again. It's like your AI is saying, hey, if you've got a 3D object, Let's throw it in there and make this scene uniquely yours. It's AI, but with a touch of personal flair. Empowerment for creators. Gingerbread isn't just about cool tricks, it's got substance too. It's like the AI version of a master painter, taking lessons from the greats and making them accessible to you. It borrows ideas from research projects and integrates them into popular tools. In other words, it's like having a Picasso guide you through your creative process. Integration into Adobe's Creative Suite. Remember when peanut butter met jelly? That's the kind of partnership we're talking about here. Gingerbread isn't just doing its own thing, it's stepping right into Adobe's Creative Suite. Photoshop, Premiere Pro, Illustrator. It's like a design party, and Gingerbread just RSVP'd with a Bring the AI magic. Adobe's future plans and industry impact. Hold on to your pixelated hats, because Gingerbread isn't slowing down. We're talking announcements galore, and not just your average ones. Adobe Max 2023 is the stage, and Gingerbread is the star. In a world where AI is evolving faster than you can say render, Adobe's not about to sit back and watch. They're grabbing the wheel and steering the AI ship into uncharted territory. It's not just a glimpse into the future, it's a ticket to a whole new dimension of design. Infinion, revolutionizing synthetic data creation. Okay, now let's talk about Infinion, the mad scientist of the graphics world. Think of it as the AI that's creating worlds from thin air. Forget about canned, repetitive datasets. Infinion's all about diversity, complexity, and a dash of jaw-dropping realism. Unique features of Infinion. So what makes Infinion a game changer? Imagine an AI that's got the creative juices of an entire art school and the technical prowess of a coding wizard. It's not just making pretty pictures, it's crafting textures, shapes, and scenes that mirror the real world. And it's doing it all from scratch, giving you a limitless playground of digital landscapes to explore. Technical architecture of Infinion. Ready for some behind-the-scenes magic? Infinion's secret sauce lies in Blender, which is the graphic system it's built upon. But it's not just about using Blender, it's about using Blender like a boss. Infinion's team tapped into Blender's power, designing a library of procedural rules that's like a treasury trove for your AI design adventures. And there you have it, design dynamos. From Gingerbread's AI magic to Infinion's pixel sorcery, we've unraveled the secrets that are shaping the future of creativity. But guess what? This is just the tip of the digital iceberg. So if you're hungry for more mind-bending tech tales, hit that subscribe button below and join our creative community right here in Virtual Reality James. We have weekly videos launching covering the topics of AI, VR, and all new tech updates. If there's a topic you want covered, comment the details below and your article could be featured in our next tech video update. Together, we'll continue to explore the boundless possibilities of the digital realm. Stay curious, stay innovative, and let's keep pushing those creative boundaries. Until next time, keep designing and keep those pixels dancing.